Hey guys, I'm out here in the garden and it is freezing. So I want to go inside and make some golden milk. If you're not familiar with golden milk, it's made with turmeric. And you know, turmeric is one of the most powerful herbs to fight inflammation. So let's go inside, warm up, and make some golden milk. All right, I am back from outside. I've cleaned up and put it on my apron. So some people love hot chocolate. I love golden milk. So if you know, I'm Jill, if you're new here, and I grow my own turmeric. So I am doing all the things that I can, y'all. I'm about to turn 58 and doing all the things that I can to have inflammation in my family as well as some other chronic illnesses in the family. And I don't want that. I'm a caregiver for my family. And I've taken care of veterans and seniors and advocated for them for the last 20 years. Now I got to start thinking about my own health so that I'm able to continue to take care of others. So in here, I have some ginger and turmeric that I've grown, and some of the pieces are starting to dry up, honestly. See, here's some turmeric that I've grown here. These are some of the little tubers here. I'm going to cut a piece so that you can see it. Turmeric, as you know, other than, it's staining, it's the color of like a carrot. Look at that deep orange color, but it can stain. So this is a fresh turmeric. And here I also have some ginger, but you can get turmeric in different forms. You can also dry your own. Here's a piece here that I've dried, and I can put this in my little grinder and I get the powder. Like, this is what the powder looks like. And so we're going to use some of that today. Normally, if you have the fresh ginger, you literally can just grate it up and put that in your milk as well. So what we have here, let me show you what all we have. So we have some turmeric. On its own, you need some black pepper. I have my little pepper mill here to help with the absorption, because just by itself, your body has difficulty really absorbing the turmeric. And then what also you need is some type of healthy fat. So today I'm going to use some coconut milk is what I like to use. If you're vegan, plant-based, coconut milk is perfect, especially if you're non-dairy. Anyone is non-dairy, you have problems, but you can use any kind of milk. Whatever milk you want to use, you can use that. Okay? And then on its own, like I said, turmeric is a powerhouse for inflammation, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, all the things, right? But if you pair it with ginger, unstoppable. Now, ginger on its own is also very powerful. But today, we're going to take it even further with the golden milk. So I'm going to add a star anise. And in here, I have some black peppercorns. I have some cloves and some cardamom. All right, and a little bit, I think I also included some pieces of dried orange peel in here. It's like a little mix that I use. It's like almost a mulling spice. I use this during the holidays a lot to make a mulling spice. And you can also find a turmeric latte in a can. Someone gave this to me as a gift. The problem with some of these is you have to be careful when you find these latte mixes, because you have to look at the sugar content. Then you're counteracting with the sugar, because sugar can cause inflammation. So it counteracts itself. But this has stevia in it, and stevia is a natural sugar that does not have the same effects as that cane sugar does. So you can find some, but you have to be careful and read your labels. So to sweeten this, I'm going to use a natural raw honey, and you can't get more natural than using a honeycomb. I get mine from the Savannah Bee Company. Okay, so this recipe is so simple, guys. All I'm going to do is in this little saucepan here, I'm going to put my milk in and I'm just going to add the ingredients to it and warm it up. And that's it. We have our coconut milk going in. I'm going to use some fresh and some powdered turmeric. I'm just going to do a teaspoon of the turmeric, a teaspoon of those spices, and a star anise. I'm going to do half a teaspoon of ginger. And you can use the ground ginger or you can use fresh. I have some ground that I did earlier. Dried it and ground it up. I have a little bit of vanilla bean paste. I thought maybe that might be great in there as well. And then a cinnamon stick. You don't want to boil it. You want to just let it simmer. If it looks like it's starting to boil, just turn your heat down or remove it from the heat and just let it cover it and let it simmer. So you don't want to forget to add your cracked black pepper. Now I did have the black peppercorns in there, but I think that when you ground those black peppercorns, it absorbs quicker. Also, what will work quicker is, you see this? This is a nutmeg. And so I'm going to grate just a little bit because I love the nuttiness of nutmeg. Look at that. So simple, so comforting, and it's so extremely beneficial. All I do is, you can tell I've been making golden milk because it's all yellow, yellowish color. And I just put this over whatever mug I'm going, like a little fine strainer, metal strainer, and I just sieve it out. Just strain it out. If you want the spices, you can let the spices go in your cup. It's just going to make it all that much more potent for you. That's it. Now, all I'm going to do is add a little bit of this honey. It's raw, natural, local honey. And I'm going to add a star anise just for garnish. Oh my gosh. Oh, when I tell you the beauty of this drink, it's so warm, so comforting. If you think back to like when you're a kid and you love like hot chocolate, the smell, the aromas. If you love chai tea, you will absolutely love golden milk. Let me know if y'all try it. It's so, my gosh. Every time I drink it, every time. Every time. Now, I will tell you, personally, go brush your teeth right after because turmeric will stain. Be very careful with the turmeric. It will stain. But y'all, I will see y'all in the next video. We're going to make some amazing mocktails. Beneficial mocktails, not just mocktails. We're going to make some very beneficial mocktails. I'll see y'all in the next video.